Hello children, in this video I'll be discussing the three types of movement of molecules, that is diffusion, osmosis and active transport. So first of all I'll be taking up diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of molecules of gases, liquids or solids from the region of high concentration to low concentration, and it is a physical process. Physical process means it is not involving any chemical reactions, and it is a gradual process involving series of states. Now how we can demonstrate this diffusion? Diffusion, for this we are taking a beaker of water and we put a sugar cube inside this beaker of water. And in the B diagram we will observe that the sugar cube molecules, they start moving into the water. They start dissolving into water. And in the C diagram we will observe that the sugar cube molecules, they uniformly start getting dissolved in the whole water which is present in the beaker, and thus the sugar solution is formed having sweet taste throughout the beaker. So this is about diffusion. Then some other examples of diffusion we have, like if we drop some blue ink in a beaker of water, then after few seconds we will observe that the whole beaker of water, it becomes blue in color. So it means here I have given you the example of diffusion in case of solids. So this putting a drop of blue ink inside a beaker of water, that is an example of diffusion in case of liquids. And in case of gases, if we have to demonstrate diffusion, then how we can demonstrate it, like if for example we put a perfume bottle at the corner of a room, then after a few minutes we will feel the fragrance or the sweet smell is there in the entire room. That is, the fragrance is there in the entire room. So this is diffusion in case of gases. Now the next type of movement is osmosis. How we can demonstrate osmosis? Like here I have depicted two diagrams. This is the concentrated sugar solution and this is a dilute sugar solution, and they are separated by a semi-permeable membrane. Concentrated sugar solution means it is having a large number of sugar molecules and the water molecules. These are the water molecules. This is a sugar molecule and this is a water molecule. So we can see that in concentrated sugar solution, the sugar molecules, they are more in number and the water molecules are less in number. Whereas in dilute sugar solution, we can see that the water molecules are more in number and the sugar molecules, they are less in number. So how osmosis will occur? This is a semi-permeable here which I have shown. This is a semi-permeable membrane. So now what will happen? The water molecules, the few water molecules which are on this side of the membrane, therefore few water molecules are able to move from the left side to the right side. Why? Because there are only few water molecules on this side of the membrane. Whereas in case of this dilute sugar solution, there are more water molecules on this side of the membrane, and therefore more water molecules, they pass from the right side to the left side. So what is the ultimate result? The net flow of the water is from dilute solution to the concentrated solution until the two concentrations become equal. Because we know that semi-permeable membrane, it will allow the entry of only the water molecules and it will restrict the entry of the solute molecules. So this process of osmosis will take place until the two concentrations, the net flow of the water molecules will take place from dilute to the concentrated solution until the two concentrations on both sides of the membrane, they become equal. So this is about osmosis. Then there is another experiment on osmosis by using potato osmoscope. What is a potato osmoscope? It is an apparatus which is used to demonstrate osmosis. Like we take a beaker of water and we take a potato, we cut it in such a way that we make a cavity inside a potato. This is a potato. We make a cavity inside the potato and we place this potato it is cut in such a way that it can stand vertically. And we place this potato in a beaker containing water. And we fix a pin over here. We put some sugar solution inside this concentrated sugar solution, which is placed in the cavity of this potato. And we place a pin over here. And then after some time, what we will observe that the level of the sugar solution in the potato cavity, it rises. Why it rises? Because the potato membrane, it acts as a semi permeable membrane, and so the water which is present in the beaker, it starts moving inside the potato, and ultimately the level of the sugar solution inside the potato cavity, it rises. We can see the difference in the levels. This is the initial level of the sugar solution, and this is the final level of the sugar solution. So the level is increased. The sugar solution, it rises in its level. Why? When the potato containing sugar solution is kept in petri dish containing water, then water rises in the potato cavity, and it demonstrates that osmosis has taken place, because the potato wall, it acts as a semi-permeable membrane. So this is the experiment on how to demonstrate osmosis using potato osmoscope. The next type of movement is active transport, that I will be discussing in my next video. Thank you.